Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make aloe vera and coconut oil moisturizer for soft, smooth skin. Coconut oil and aloe vera are natural moisturizers for the skin. Aloe vera contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A and C, and is highly anti-inflammatory. It can help treat burns, acne and dry skin. Coconut oil could reduce inflammation, keeping skin moisturized and helping heal wounds. By combining aloe vera gel and coconut oil, we get an excellent moisturizer for treating dry skin. With regular use, the mixture of aloe vera and coconut oil can help us in slowing down skin aging. Now, let's start. Put 4 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil in a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can use fresh leaf, but I prefer it this way. Whisk well with hand or use blender until you get a fluffy consistency. Transfer your lotion into the container and store it into the refrigerator. It will last for 3 to 4 weeks. Use lotion regularly to increase its effectiveness. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please like and share it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so, and see you in my next video. Bye!